How to apply refund in Lazada. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to apply for a refund in Lazada. First, open your Lazada application on your mobile device. Next, tap on Account from the bottom right corner. Now, tap on View All Orders. Here, you will find your orders that are eligible for a refund. If you are dissatisfied with your purchase, you can return it and get a hassle-free refund. Simply create a return request to the order detail page. Ensure you provide sufficient supporting evidence such as photos, videos, and screenshots to improve the likelihood of your request being approved by the seller. Remember to inspect your items carefully before clicking Order Received to ensure a smooth return process. To find the order you wish to return, navigate to the To Receive section in My Account. On the Order Details page, you will find a return or refund option. Avoid clicking Order Received if you plan to return the item. To submit a return request, you will need to fill out the following form. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.